we are go to the destination for all things Excel. Today we are diving deep into the one of the most powerful tools in Excel, conditional formatting. Whether you're seasoned pro or just starting out, mastering condition formatting can take your Excel skill to the next level. So let's jump right in. Conditional formatting is a feature in Excel that allow you to format cell based on specific criteria. This means you can easily visually highlight important data, identify trends, and spot out with it. It's like having a customizable set of rules that automatically formats your spreadsheet for you. Okay, so there are several types of conditional formatting options available in Excel. So you can find in the Home tab and use the conditional formatting. Then here you will find the highlight cell rules. So these options allow you to highlight cells that meet certain conditions, such as like greater than, less than, between, equal, and also the equal to text. And like here, the text is content and the data accuracy duplicates value and also the more rules. Okay, and also the next one you will find at the top or bottom rules. So with these rules you can highlight the top or bottoms values in a range, such as like the top terms items and top 10% or the difference. You will find the difference data. And next one is you will find also the data bars. So data bars create horizontal bars within cell or visually represent that relative values in the selective range. And the next one you will find the color skill. Okay, so color skill apply different colors to cell based on their values, making it easier to visualize and data distribution. And next one you will get also the icon sets. So icon sets add icon to cells based on their values, along for quick or interpretations of data using symbol. So like arrows, flags, and also the stars, you will get that different one. Okay, so now let's dive into the practical demonstration to see conditional formatting to in Excel. And I have a simple data set with the sports and I want to work with this one. So the first one is, let's select this one, and before that I will copy this one into the here and I will select, make it different condition formatting. Then this first one is I want to use conditional formatting. With selecting this one, then go to the Home tab, then click on the conditional formatting. Okay, and drop down menu and choose the type of formatting you want or you want to apply for this one. So the first one, select the highlight sets rules. Okay, so for example I will use getter, then enter the there shows value and choose for the formatting option. Like here I will use the greater than. If I gonna say the 80, then here we was use it, and you can choose here the different option like this one or the red text or whatever you desire, or yellow if it colors, or you can use the custom format if you want to use like border or fill colors, whatever you want to use. Okay, so for now I want to cancel it, and for example I want to use this one, then hit on the OK. Okay, so here we got it, the according to our condition formatting. Let's move into another one. I want to work with this one, conditions formatting, and these items. This times I want to use the top bottom rules. Like if I use this one like that, top 10 items, or before that I want to use these data bars. And here then I take the gradient fields. Now you will find the differences data over here. For example, I can easily use it, and according to our selection we will get several data over the data words in there. And the next one, I will use the condition formatting for the color scale. So there is the kind of similar as the data, and here we will get the several or the different colors like green, white, red colored scales, or here red, white, green scale. So whatever you prefer. For example, I use this one. Now you can see according to our selection, we have now this one. Okay, so now let's move into the selections. And this times I want to use the top bottom rules, and I want to use the top 10 items over here. And here we find the top 10, or I can just easily use it like if I want to make it the top 5 items, then hit on the OK. So here we got it the top 10 items over there according to our selections. Okay, so and before we are here some advanced tips in take our conditions formatting skill to the next level. Like here, use the formula. You can create custom formula to apply more complex condition for conditional formatting. And also the managed rules, like here XLS allows you to manage rules, exciting rules, and edit them, create new ones and needed by before. You select this one, like go to here and use the manage rules and also the combine rules. And also you can combine multiple condition formatting to create layer effect and highlights different aspect to our data simulates link. So here, if I gonna make it with like this one, with the stars or icon sets, now you can see what the combine rules over here. And you can also use a different one. For example, I can just easily shows up this one. Okay, so and there you have it. You can now equipped with the knowledge of white condition formatting like a pro in Excel. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't instead experiment with different rules and formulas to find out what's best of your data. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next time.